Hey kids, always wash your hands.
This is your hand washing song. Let's wash our hands together. Every time when we come home, let's wash our hands together. Turn the water on, get some soap. Let's wash our hands together. 1 and 2 and 3. Scrub it up with me. Scrub, scrub, scrub it up. Rub it up with me. Hey, scrub well between the fingers. We want them nice and clean. From the bottom to the top. Rub it up, rub it up. Now let's sing the washing song with me. So much bubbles from the soap. Pop it up, pop it up. Now it's time to rinse them off. Shoo-be-doo-be-dop-ba-dop. Rinse, 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 nice and clean. Let's wash our hands together. 1 and 2 and 3. Scrub it up with me. Scrub, scrub, scrub it up. Rub it up with me. Hey, scrub well between the fingers. We want them nice and clean. From the bottom to the top. Rub it up, rub it up. Let's do it one more time, you and me. When do we wash our hands? Before we eat, after we eat, or when we come back from the street. Say no to the yucky hands. Say no to the germs. Germs, look, my hands are clean. Stay away, don't come near me. Scrub, scrub, scrub it up. Rub it up with me. Scrub well between the fingers. We want them nice and clean. From the bottom to the top. Rub it up, rub it up. Now our hands are super nice and clean.
Welcome to House Checkup, Lucy.
Good luck, Lucy!
Stand here. We'll measure your height. Don't be afraid. It's just a growth meter.
Have I grown taller?
Oh, you must take off your shoes. Your height is normal. Come here. We'll measure your weight.
Have I become heavy?
Do you have anything with you?
Meow.
Whoa. Your weight is normal. Meow, meow, meow.
I want a chocolate bar! Where are chocolate bars? That's not a chocolate bar! I want more chocolates!
Leo, it's bad for you to eat a lot of chocolate bars. We're going to check your breathing. Blow here. Whoa. Your breathing is excellent. Now let's check your heartbeat. Your heartbeat is excellent. Leo! Now let's check your eyesight. Show me a green bee here. It's a yellow C. That's right. It's a green B. Now show me a purple A. That's a red A. We need a purple one. That's right. It's a purple A.
Hooray!
Your vision is excellent.
I've eaten a lot of chocolate.
You need a health checkup. We'll scan your skin now. Don't be afraid.
Oh no! Lucy, it wants to eat you! I will save you!
Leo, stop!
Oh no, Leo! It was just a health checkup!
Sorry, I thought the machine wanted to eat you.
We ain't no danger here.
Everything will be fine. Too many sweets are harmful for the body. That's why spots appear on the skin. The syrup will cure you.